What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. It's Christmas time, and as you know, we love the Christmas time. Wait, they don't know.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
They don't know, but they know now. So what you're going to be seeing is we're going to be turning our house into a
Christmas studio.
If you the person of my dreams, I just open up and go sleep. Cause I know nothing lasts forever. I'll be happy with those chances every day if I can wake up to you. Let me wake up to you. Let me wake up to you. Let me wake up to you.
If you haven't, definitely go back and watch. But you watched us decorate our home for Christmas, so you're going to be seeing some things change for our in-house studio session. If you haven't had a chance to take pictures, you guys should definitely go into your living room because most, if not all people, probably not all, have their Christmas trees up. So you can go right into your living room, set up your little ambiance, and have your Christmas photos there. Comment below if you think this is a great idea and if you were probably going to try to have a studio session in your home. It's a good idea. I think so. So I got my Christmas earrings on. Tish picked us up these. I'm gonna call you La, because Tish and me I always call her La, so saying Tish is like, but yes, babe. Picked us up these Christmas earrings. I think they're so cute. Welcome to Christmas Wonderland. But Tish set up the space for us. So
Is this the first space?
okay, so this is where we're going to be having our
Like a little living room set up in our actual living room.
All right, okay. What's next?
Next we have the little dessert extravaganza.
All right. So, we got some gingerbread houses going on. We're gonna make some cookies.
We might.
All right.
Cocoa, chocolates, cute little fun stuff.
Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I love that tree right there. So this is gonna be the next setup that we have going on.
And our third setup,
let's go.
is like a little mini bar type situation.
Oh.
So cute little date night.
All right. Oh, date night setup. Okay, I like that. I'm gonna call this one a date night setup. I know a lot of people went to photography studios, and Tish is a photographer, so like.
Unfortunately, we had to close our studio because of COVID.
Yes. So you got to get creative during this time. So we're gonna have this date night here. So cute. What we gonna have in our cups?
I know. I want to make some cute little Christmas drinks.
With that being said, we're waiting on our
photographer. We're waiting on the photographer, waiting on some lights, and then we'll be ready to go. It started in 20 minutes.
Yeah, but it's CP time. Oh, it's gonna be so cute. Actually, you guys, these are real presents. We did not wrap.
Real family and friends presents.
Yes, so y'all stuff is up under there.
Y'all are part of the shoot.
Are you gonna light the fireplace?
Yep. It's our first time lighting a fire, so pretty nervous about that, but I definitely want fire in the background of our shoot, so.
What we gonna do with this TV up here? You gonna keep it on that?
I don't know, it looks like static.
Maybe we should find another snow video. So we added a whole extra area rug, as you guys can see.
Yeah, and most of our decorations were already our home decor, so we just
all of them, actually.
Yeah, all of our decorations is home decor. So
yeah.
we just pulled together different items to kind of make up the setups. Like a lot of our candy stuff was from the kitchen. A lot of this stuff was just around the house.
Yeah.
The rug was from our upstairs office, so we just put it all together.
The living room shoot is definitely going to have us in our pajama sets. Probably seems familiar up in here. We didn't have a chance to get new pajama sets, and we literally only wore them for the video. We haven't even like wore them for real.
So we got pajama sets. We got like a casual outfit for the second shoot.
Yes, so this shoot is definitely going to be scene number 2. It's going to be what's it going to be, bud?
It's just like a little baking candy fun thing.
What?
I don't know.
All right, so for there, I think we're just going to do something casual. I might even keep on this red shirt, you know, with some jeans. Kind of call it a day.
Yeah, I'm just going to wear a sweater and some jeans and probably our little cooking apron.
Okay, and then date night is going to kind of be a little bit more festive.
Yeah,
like
a little fancier.
All right, so we'll be dropping those pictures soon. And until then,
Peace out.
so the photo shoot was a success, I would say. I think the pictures are going to turn out really, really, really good. So we can't wait to drop those pictures and share those with you all and send them to our family and friends as well. You kind of basically saw everything that we had going on. This was our baking setup, and it actually did, as you can see, it actually did get pretty messy. We had flour and everything just kind of like being thrown around, not a lot.
Ready, go.
Nah, you good.
What is it?
It's all of my teeth.
How'd you get old so fast?
You stressed me out, clearly.
So yes, this, I would say that the photo shoot was definitely a success. A success just doesn't really, it was a success. We got some food. We got some soul food at that. So we're about to relax. Can't wait to see you all in the next video, and can't wait to share our pictures with you. So until then, Smith Squad says bye.
If you the person of my dreams, I just open up and go sleep. Cause I know nothing lasts forever. I'll be happy with those chances every day if I can wake up to you. Just let me 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 wake